selected configuration topic and I discussed important words. That is, what is an app? What is tab? What is an S object? What is field? Data and record. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the points in the last class we discussed. And also we created an account. Am I created the account yesterday? Hello?
No.
No? Okay, let me show how to create an account in Salesforce. Create an account in Salesforce. Login.salesforce.com. What is the username? Oh, sorry. If you want to create the account in Salesforce, we need to type developer.force.com. Click on sign up button. Guys, tomorrow you have session. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow Sunday you have session. At 7 o'clock. Hello.
7 a.m., sir.
7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. 2 hours class.
Okay, sir.
Don't miss tomorrow's class, guys. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Anyway, day after tomorrow holiday, August 15th. So that is why I'm taking the class tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Same link.
Okay, sir.
Here. Admin training. What is the first name I given? Admin. What is the last name? Training. I given the email ID vijayprakash2019. I given developer role. Company name. I given the company name as DS. DS means DURGASOFT. PZN. Here. Postal code 123456. Username. admin@ds.com. What is the username given?
admin@ds.com.
All of you understand? Very easy. Very easy, guys. First name, last name, email ID, role, company name, country, postal code, username. The way how you create the account in Gmail, same way we can create the account. Same way we can create the account in here. Salesforce. 1 minute. It takes 2 minutes time. I will receive the email. Admin already there. Admin 2. One minute, please wait. Guys, hello. See, almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account. One minute, guys. Please wait. Look at this, all of you. Developer@salesforce.com. Go down. What is the username? admin2@ds.com. Verify account. Here we need to enter the password. I given the password ABCD1234 because password contains 8 characters. Out of 8 characters, 1 must be letter and 1 must be number. Okay. Answer. What city you are born? Now all of you understand how to create the account in Salesforce? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Okay. Now, extreme top right side corner, there is a boy with monkey cap here. Click on him. What is the last but one option? Come on.
Switch to Salesforce Classic.
Click on switch to Salesforce Classic. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the Salesforce company logo. This represents version number. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And this is what search button. This is switch to Lightning experience. Now you're in Classic. If you want to move back to Lightning, click on Lightning experience. Admin training. Admin is the first name, training is the last name I given just now. Click on setup. Left side we can see create new recent items recycle bin. Sir, no. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See create new recycle bin, recent items recycle bin. That itself is the proof here in SaaS environment. Which environment?
SAS.
SaaS environment. Okay. If you want to move from SaaS environment to PaaS environment, click on setup. So you can move into SaaS PaaS environment. Means developer sits and develop the application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
SaaS means developer can sit and develop the application. That environment can be called as PaaS environment. We are all developers. We are all administrators. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why. So we are entering the what? Left side, what is this? Administer, build, deploy, monitor, jobs, and logs. All these options. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to move back from PaaS to SaaS, this is PaaS environment. If you want to move from PaaS to SaaS, click on any tab. So click on any tab here. Click on home button. Click on home button. Again, we are entering into which environment? SaaS environment. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Left side again, we can see create new recent items recycle. If you move from SaaS to PaaS again, click on what? Setup. Understand everyone? Hello. Good.
So when we click on any tabs like home, chatter, libraries, content, subscription, so that goes to SaaS environment, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
If you click on any button here, we can move into what? SaaS environment. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Setup. Here we can see. నన్ను మటుకు సంపద 1 minute, please wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is pass environment. So I just want to create custom app. Okay. Look at this. Very easy. We'll create tabs. Select the type of app to create. App label. My first customer, please. So third step. Actually, within 5 steps, you can create an app. The third step, we have to create the company logo. You have to upload the company logo. Okay. The company logo size is less than 20 KB. Understand?
Yes.
Less than 20 KB. How to enter? Go to this one. Let me give Okay. So what is the size here? 5.47 KB. So less than 20 KB, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Now, on insert. Sorry. Click on plus symbol. Observe all of it carefully. What is this? All tabs. Click on documents. Externally available image. You have to select this one, externally available image. Okay. If you do not select this, you cannot see the image. Upload file, choose file. I selected images. Image. So click on insert image. My doc. Got it or not? Image changed or not?
Yes.
Hello. Everybody follows the navigation steps.
Yes.
Yes.
On next. Now we have the fourth step. Step number 4. Accounts, assets, campaigns, cases. Like that, we can select the tabs. Yes or no? If you
Yes.
don't want to select, if you want to remove, home also I'm going to remove. I got error message. Home tab cannot be removed and must be the first tab. Okay. On what? Next. And I created the application. After creating the application, this application I need to hand over to system administrator. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
There are so many users here, but I am giving only system administrator. Okay. This is default. Selected. Click on what? Save button. So, what is the application we created just now?
My first custom application.
My first custom application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So Are we going to continue? I mean, in the classic environment, or we are going to continue the entire
Both
class?
classic and lightning, both I will cover.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Both will cover, both will discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are in content application. I want to move from content to what is this?
My first custom application.
Yes. That's or no? Look at this. Logo has been changed or not?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
This is the content application. Okay.
Sai, one doubt with respect to logo. We cannot directly upload the image from our local machine.
No, we cannot directly upload. We have to upload that image. You have to store in a document on a folder, and from that folder only we can upload.
Okay. Document itself is an application, right?
Yeah, document itself is an application.
Okay.
My first custom application. What is the tab name?
Home.
That's it. Here. So that is all about creating the application. After creating the application, what we need to create? Come on.
Objects, tabs.
We have to create tab. How to create the tab? To create, what is the option name?
Tabs.
Monica follows or not? Monica,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm following.
if you do not understand, please ask me, Monica. Okay?
Okay, sir.
On tabs. Click on new. What is object? Tell me, are we created an object as of now?
No.
No. Means without creating the object, we cannot create a tab. Understand everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Without creating the object, we cannot create a tab. So first we have to create the object. How to create the object? I want to create an object. Toy. AD name salary. So total how many fields? 5 fields I want to create. Let me create a subject. Custom objects are database tables that allow to store data specific to your organization Salesforce. What is this new custom object tab? What is the plural name? So what is the first field?
Field.
EID, data type, auto number I given. Auto number means automatically generate the values. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Auto number. Asking about the display format. They given some example also. A hyphen flower brackets 4 zeros flower brackets close. I given E hyphen flower brackets 4 zeros flower brackets close. Starting number. Starting number how much I given? 1001. Starting number 1. Next. Hello reports, hello activities, track field history, hello in chatter groups. And click on what button? Save. The subject created or not?
Yes.
What is the subject name?
Employee.
Okay. Employee. Plural name is what? Employees. Object name is employee. API name employee double underscore C. Okay. What is double underscore C? It's a custom object. Sir,
Yes, sir.
hello. It's a custom object.
If it is a standard object, it will be only with one underscore.
Sorry.
If it is a standard object, it will be only with one underscore.
No, it don't display in double underscore C. Normal. Without double underscore C.
Okay.
If it is custom object, ends with double underscore C.
Okay.
Created by name, last modified by owner. These are the 4 fields, standard fields. What is the next one here? Custom fields. Click on what button? New. What is second field?
Ename.
E-name.
E-name. What kind of data we are entering into e-name?
String.
String. Lookup master detail. External lookup checkbox.
Text.
Currency, date, date time, email, geolocation, number, person, phone, pick list, multi-select. What is the field?
Text.
Text. Field label. Okay. Required unique, don't select. Or next. It is visible to
System administrator.
administrator. Field label name. Data type text. On save and what is the next field?
Salary.
Salary. Salary, which data type?
Number.
Currency.
Okay.
Salary. And 6 digits.
What is the difference between field label and field name?
Number. Revenue. What is the next field?
Department number.
Department number. Department number, what is the data type?
Number.
Number. On next. What is the field name?
Department number.
How many digits? Let me give 3 digits.
Sai, what is the difference between field name and field label?
Sorry?
Difference between field name and field label.
Field name is for end user purpose. Field label for end user purpose.
Okay.
Field name for developer purpose.
Okay.
Revenue. What is the next field?
Job.
Job. For job, what is the data type?
Text.
For department number already there. Huh?
Yeah.
Next.
Job.
One second. Employee ID standard field. Department number, employee name, job, salary. These are the 4 fields for comes under what? Custom. Understand?
And
Hello.
standard EID is also created by developer itself, right?
Yes. Of course, EAD created by developer only. But whatever field you created first, that field automatically goes to standard field.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, sir.
Second field onwards, everything comes under custom.
Okay. Is it mandatory to create the first field while creating the
Yes,
object?
compulsory. Compulsory mandatory.
Okay.
Total, including this total, how many fields we created? 5.
Yeah.
Then after on tabs. What is the object name?
Employee.
Tab style. Can give any color for the tab. Tab is will be all profiles. Default off. Different tab visibility for each profile. Administrator default. Come on.
On. So what does it mean?
Sorry.
What does it mean? Default on means?
Only system administrator can see this tab.
Okay.
See, admin timing is a system administrator. Okay.
Yeah.
Only that user can access the respected tab. Okay.
Okay.
Not all the users. And where you want to include this tab? Under which application? My first custom application. My first custom application contains only how many tabs?
One tab.
One. My first custom application. On save. Tab created or not?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Tab created. Understand everyone? Oh,
Yes.
Yes. So, as an administrator, is it administrator's job to create these apps, or the developer will create the app?
the developer will create all these things.
Okay.
Administrator come into the picture. Actually, we are in the topic of creating model app.
Okay. Okay.
Model means database.
Okay. Okay.
Database contains tables. No?
Yeah.
We created a table called as employee. That table we created some fields. Sir,
Yeah.
after that, we need to enter the records.
Yes.
Click on employees tab. More records are there. Sir, no.
Yeah.
Then what? Employee name. What is your name?
Ajay.
Anil.
Anil. Salary. Next. Yeah. Hey, Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me why EAD is not displaying?
Because it is an auto number.
Ah, very good. Because it is auto number. Automatically generate the value. So, sir.
Yes.
Good. What next? Total 5 records entered. Okay. But only EAD is not displaying. Rest of the fields are not displaying. Sir.
Yes.
So if you want to see the rest of the fields, click on arrow symbol. What is the last but one option?
Edit columns.
Edit columns. Rename. EAD rename salary department number and job. Total how many fields? 5 fields and 5 records.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. On. Tell me what is your doubt? Hello. Somebody said, sir. What is your doubt? Hello. Hello, any doubts?
No doubts, sir. No doubts.
Total how many records I inserted?
5.
5 records. All of you understand all the 5 records?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. All of you understand up to this clearly?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Ah,
you're going to multiple options like creating an object, creating a tab, and then view edit columns. So is there any logical way how it has been categorized, or we have to remember that stuff? Where exactly we have to navigate and
no, we have to
identify
remember the
that.
navigation steps. Don't bother.
Okay.
I will share the navigation steps to you. That is the
Okay.
only way.
Mhm.
At the end of the session, I will share the navigation steps. See here. No. Config material. Config navigation. See here. Complete navigation steps. See steps to create an app. Go to build. Under build, what is this? App. Okay. In this app, what is the first option? Middle option. New. Understand?
Yes.
Next. Step number 1. We need to select custom app. Step number 2. We have to give the app name. Step number 3. We have to download the image. Step number 4. Available tabs. Step number 5. It is visible to only for system administrator. Yes or no?
Yes.
Complete navigation steps are given.
Okay.
After that, steps to create what?
Salesforce object.
Object. Go to click on setup. Build, create objects. New custom object. New custom object. Okay. Next. Label name, plural name. Okay. First field EAD, data type auto number, display format, starting number. Everything we selected, yes or no?
Yes.
Complete navigation steps. Data types. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. You please follow this navigation step. This is 21 pages navigation steps are there. How many?
21.
I will share this document. Okay.
Sure.
Shashi can you hear me? Shashi. Okay. Tell me, what is the S object we created?
Employee.
What is the app name we created?
My first custom app.
What is the tab name? Employees. What is the S object name? Employee.
Employee.
What are the fields? EAD, e-name, salary, department number, and job. Okay.
Yes.
After that, we enter the data. And also, what is this?
Record.
Come on. So these are the fields I entered. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tell me, in real time, who created all this? Generally, all these created by developers. Yes, sir.
Yes.
All the above created by one developer. That is developer job.
Okay.
But as a developer, if you sit in front of the system, as a developer, okay, you created all this. But for whom he will create? For the client. That's all. Me. Developer created all these. For whom?
Client.
For the client, for the end user. But as a developer, if I'm sitting in front of the client, as a developer, if I'm sitting in front of the client always speaks about his business. Or no? But no client will proactively tell I want app, I want this tab, I want this as object, I want these fields. Like this, no client will proactively tell to the developer. That's all. Why? Because client don't know about one. So the client don't know about what?
Yeah.
No, Salesforce. No. Because app, tab name, as object, field, these are all related to Salesforce technology. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
That is why no client don't know. No client will proactively tell to the developer, I want this app, I want this tab, I want this as object, I want these field like. Point clear, all of you? Hello? Can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
As a developer, if I'm sitting in front of the client always speaks about his business. So client's business, as a developer, we need to understand. And that client's business, we need to map or we need to correlate. What? Come on. Salesforce. How to combine, so how to correlate and how to map the client's business to Salesforce. For example, Monica,
Sir.
suppose you have hospital business is there. What is hospital? What is the business name?
Hospital.
So your hospital business name is Monica Hospitals, okay?
Okay, sir.
Multi-specialty hospital like Apollo. If you want to run this business, what do you require? Tell me. You need patients.
Patients.
And also you need doctors. You need some operation theaters. You need ambulance. You need what? Excuse me, someone need to getting some
Oxygen.
noise. Please mute all of you. You need nurses. You need some what? Okay. Diagnostic centers. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need pharma. Very big business. It is very big setup actually. Sir,
Yes, sir.
it's not a small business. Tell me. So these are the things that are important to run your business. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Without patients, without doctors, without operation theaters, without ambulance, generally it is not possible to do hospital business. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
So whichever things is important for you to run the business, those things we can call it as, or we can treat it as objects of your business. My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
I can say these are all S objects of your business.
Business.
Understand? Once you identify the S object, we can easily identify the tab. Why? Because plural name of S object is nothing but a tab name. Suppose patients is a tab name. Obviously, patient is a subject name. That's our no.
Yes, sir.
Doctors is the tab name. Doctor is the subject name. Operation theaters is the tab name. Operation theater is a subject name.
Subject.
Like that, once we identify the subject, we can easily identify
Tabs.
app names. So that is not a big problem. So what is your app name? Application name. Application name given as what? Monica Hospital. That is your business name. That is your application name. Whatever business you are doing, that business name itself is application. Okay.
Okay.
So application name is ready. We can easily identify. The subjects also ready. That is also we can easily identify. We'll talk with the customer. We'll talk with the client. Based on the client's information, he can easily conclude that, okay, these are the subjects of your business. Once we identify the subjects, we can easily identify the tabs. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is why app name, a subject name, tab names, we can easily identify. But the most challenging task for the developer is identifying the fields in the command. Identifying the fields in the subject. Understand everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Identifying the fields in the subject. Okay. How to identify the fields? And sometimes what happens is, Abhilash, please don't draw the lines. Who draw the lines here? Listen carefully. Sometimes what happens is, one field existed in one S object, then there might be a chance of existing the same field in another, come on, object. Everyone understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One field existed in one S object, then there might be a chance of existing the same field in another S object. For example, I have a company called XYG company. Company contains employee S object, so employees. Near about 100 employees are working. And also we have 4 departments. All the employee details we stored in employee S object. And all the department details we stored in department S object. Point clear, all of you? Hello. EID, e-name, salary, and department name. Department S object contains department number, department name, and location. Clear, all of you?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Tell me, as per the above paragraph, one field existed in one S object, then there might be a chance of existing the same field in another S object. Okay. Look at this. In this example, what is a common field? Department number field. That is available in employee S object. Same field also available in department S object. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One field existed. Which field? Department number field existed in one S object. Same field also existed in another S object.
Another.
If it is existed like this, then what is the problem? Let us assume from first 25 employees out of 100, They are working under department number. Point clear? Hello. Marketing, sales. Really. 40. Finance. Okay. Next, 25 employees. Working under department number 20. $75 employees. Next 25 employees working under department number 30. Last 25 employees working under department number 40. Understand everyone? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So this is the present situation. Let us assume I am the company owner and today I am taking a decision. I want to change the marketing department number 10 as 90. Okay. I want to change what? Department number 10 as what? 90. So according to my orders, somebody is going to change the department number 10 as 90 under department SOP. Understand? So whatever modification, whatever changes I made under department number field of department subjects is the same modifications will affect it to department number field of employee subject.
No.
I did some modifications under department number field of department subject. Is it reflected to department number field of employee subject?
No.
No. Why? Because between these two subjects there is no
Relationship.
relationship. Suppose if you have relationship between these two subjects, if you made any changes under department number field of department subject, same modification, same changes automatically reflected to department number field of employee subject. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
But it is not reflected. Why? Because there is no relation between these two. So that is why this as subject shows department number 10 as 90, but okay, still it shows how much?
10.
Old value 10 only. But it's showing old value 10. What happens? One as subject shows one kind of information and another as subject shows what? Another information. Correct or not?
Yes.
There is no data consistency here. Actually, in my company, there is no 10th department. 10th department already gone. Is or no?
Yes.
Already changed. But still it is showing what? Department number 10. Suppose Monica, you are the HR manager of this company. You want to see the employee details who are working under department number 90. You want that report. So you ordered to some reporting management, but report manager, reporting team saying that, sorry ma'am, no employees are working under department number 90. Like that they told. Now definitely a surprise. Yes or no? How it is possible? Because every month 25 employees we are created in their accounts. Yes or no? Who are working under department number 90. But you said that no employees working under department number 90. But because as of now, as according to this employees object, no employees records under working under where? Department number 90 here. That's our. Hello, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
No employees working under department number 90.
90.
It is showing what? 0. So it leads to data inconsistency or not? Come on. Data inconsistency means one subject shows one kind of information and another subject shows what? Another information. There is no accuracy in the data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If there is no accuracy in the data, then what happens? Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. So automatically it leads to what? Data inconsistency. Yes or no? Good.
Yes, sir.
So, avoid this particular problem, what we have to do? We have to create a relation between these two subjects. Clear? Hello. If you
Yes, sir.
create a relation between these two subjects, if you made any changes under one particular field of one subject, the same what do you call the same changes automatically reflected in where? In another subject. Understand all of you? So to avoid this problem, we have to go for what? Relationship. So Salesforce given 6 types of relationships. How many?
6 types.
Types of relationships. One is self relationship, lookup relationship, master detail, many to many, one, hierarchical. What next? Roll up summary. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Total how many? 6 types of relationships. First, let me start with what? Self-relationship. Relationship means deriving one field value depending on another field in the same as object called what? Come on. Is my point clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everybody please read this point. What is it? Deriving one field value depending on another field within the same as object is called what?
Self-relationship.
Self-relationship. My point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Fine. For example, suppose student subject is there. Student ID, student name, subject 1 marks, subject 2, and subject 3 marks. And I want to calculate total marks. Tell me, how can you calculate the total marks?
Sub 1 plus sub 2 plus sub 3.
If you add all these 3 field values, you will get what? Another
Total.
field, total marks, within the same as object. So total marks field value depending on these 3 fields or not.
Yes, sir.
That is called what here? Self-relationship.
Relationship.
Point clear now, everyone?
Yes.
That's it. Good. So let me create the same field. Tell me the navigation steps. I want to create student as object. All of you, please speak out. Where I have to go?
Setup. Create objects.
Objects.
New custom object. Student object. Label student. Plural label students. Object name student description. Okay. Recording. Auto number. Okay. Hello. Checking all the checkboxes.
Then
Save.
one save. What next?
Creating
Field
field.
ID created. Custom fields.
New.
Number
Number.
already selected. Name, student name.
Okay. Student name.
What is the data type?
Text.
Then one
Student name.
name. Okay. How many characters length are given? 34.
Next.
Next.
Visible to system administrator.
Visible to system administrator.
Next.
Uh,
Save and new. Next. Number.
Subject one.
Subject one. Number.
Number.
Field label subject one. SUB one.
Maximum 3 digits only for
Yeah.
100 marks.
Next. Visible only to the system administrator.
That should be visible to
System administrator. Next. Save and new. Number. Number data type. Next. Field label subject to SUB2. Length 3. Next. Visible only to the system administrator. Next. Save and new. Number. Subject 3. Subject 3. Length 3. Click on next. Visible only to the system administrator. Next. Save and new. Save and new. Now formula.
Have to select formula.
Click on
Because whenever you are working with self relationship, we need to use which data type?
formula.
Formula data. I selected formula, click on what?
Next. Field label total marks. Next.
Number. Zero. Total marks.
Sub 1 plus sub 2 plus sub 3.
Go to advanced form. Go to advanced form. What is the button?
Insert field.
Subject 1. What is this?
Insert operator. Add. Insert operator. Subject 3. That's it.
Then?
Checksum.
Treat blank fields as zeros. Treat blank fields as blanks. Treat blank fields as blank zeros only. Okay.
Zero. Okay.
What does treat blank fields as zeros means? If you do not enter the value, it takes what value?
Default value as 0. Visible to only system administrator.
On next.
Save. Creating a tab.
That's it. After that, what we need to create?
Tab.
Guys, rest of the people follows or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Following.
Yes, sir. Following.
Click on what?
Tabs. New.
What is the object we created?
Student.
Student.
Color? We can give any color.
Sai, one doubt here. Why it is not showing employee object to select? Because it's already been assigned to tab.
No, that already assigned to the tab.
Okay, that is the reason it is not showing the employee
Yes,
object.
the tab already linked with employees tab.
Okay, if we
The
create.
subject,
Sorry, please go ahead.
the subject already linked with the employees tab.
Okay. If we create multiple objects without
Not
tabs,
possible.
then it will show.
One tab, one as subject. That's it. One to one.
Okay.
Default on. Where you want to include this tab?
My first custom application. Done.
Tomorrow, what is the class timing? Say, I told you 7 o'clock. Huh?
Yes.
No, don't come 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Come down at 11 o'clock. 11 to 1.
Okay.
Morning 11 to 1. Okay.
Yes.
So, don't come at 7 o'clock. Morning 11 to 1. On students.
New.
Student name. Ninety. Okay, 3 records I set. I want to add rest of the fields also. What I have to do?
Click on that dashboard one, edit columns.
Hmm. Hmm.
Subject one, S name. Can't we select everything? Yeah, okay. Total marks.
Yeah, all the total marks automatically calculated.
Yes.
Everyone understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's all about what? Self-relationship. Clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
So tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock, please come down. 11 to 1, 2 hours class. We will discuss about this topic. Look up master detail, many to many, hierarchical and roll ups. Okay.
Okay.
Monica, sorry, not Monica. Muskan, are you there? Muskan,
Yeah, yes, sir.
is all these people formalities are completed?
No, sir, few students are pending to clear the payments.
Guys, the people who are not paid the fees, please make your payments, made your payments as soon as possible. Because Monday, Tuesday onwards, link is going to change. If you do not pay the fees, I cannot share the link, I cannot share the notes, I cannot share the material what I have shown before. So these are the things I cannot share, guys. This is the institute rule. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So please make your payments as soon as possible. Okay.
We have shared the payment details in the chat box. So that payment details, you need to clear the payments and send back the screenshot to mail.
Everybody, please open the chat window and note the details. Note on the details, Google Pay, payment details, and all. Make your payments as soon as possible.
Can you please share the phone pay or Paytm as well?
Yeah. Open the chat window. Google Pay number is there. Phone Pay is also same number. Muskan?
No, sir, it's a different number. I'm sharing it in the chat box.
Yeah, Phone Pay number also she is going to share.
Okay.
Is
Muskan,
there any,
morning 11 o'clock, Muskan. 11 to 1.
Yeah, okay, sir.
is there any option to pay through credit card?
You can do Google Pay or Phone Pay, sir, or else account transfer.
Can I come to your office to if you have any option to pay via credit card?
Credit card means I'll share you the credit card link. You can provide your contact details in the chat box. I'll share you the credit card link.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Speak, Miss Sarah, please. Good evening, Sarah. How are you?